Prynawn da a croeso I Prifysgol Wrecsam ac I seremoni raddio y Brifysgol. Y drydedd o 7 seremoni i'w chynnal dros 3 diwrnod. Good afternoon and welcome to Wrexham University and to the university's graduation ceremony, the third of 7 ceremonies to be held over 3 days. Yn ystod y seremoni heddiw yma, byddwn yn cyflwyno tystysgrifau, diplomau a graddau. During the ceremony, we will be presenting certificates, diplomas and degrees. Wel, mae nawr yn rhoi pleser mawr I mi wahodd Dr Lee Griffin, Cadeirydd Bwrdd y Llywodraethwyr, I agor y seremoni y prynhawn yma. It gives me great pleasure to invite Dr Lee Griffin, Chair of the Board of Governors of Wrexham University, to open the ceremony.
Prynawn da, good afternoon. It is so good to see you here today, it really is. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen and graduands. For many of you, today's ceremony is the official end of your studies at Wrexham University and is marked by these formal proceedings known as a congregation. The reason for this congregation is so that degrees can be conferred, honorary fellowships awarded and other business which concerns this university be transacted. And so, by the authority given to me by the university, it gives me great pleasure to open this congregation of Wrexham University and to ask that the university proclamation be read. Thank you.
Hyder trwy addysg. Bydded hysbys I aelodau'r brifysgol ac I bawb sydd yn bresennol. Y cynhelir heddiw ar y dyddiad hwn, dydd Mercher y 9 o Fai 2024, yma yn Ninas Wrecsam, gynulliad awdurdodedig o Brifysgol Wrecsam. Derbynir i'w gwobrau unigolion sydd trwy efrydiaeth yn y brifysgol a thrwy ddisg, medr a dyfalbarhad wedi teilyngu'r cyfryw raddau yn unol ag ordeiniadau'r brifysgol. Gyda phob gweddi a dymuniad ar iddynt fwynhau iechyd a hir hoedl I wasanaethu eu hoes a'i cenedl dan fendith y nef. Yna, dy oleuni a gyfyd mewn tywyllwch, ath dywyllwch a fydd fel hanner dydd, a rhai a fyddant ohono ti a adeiladant yr hen ddiffydd leoedd. Y mae digonedd o air ac o emau, ond geiriau deallus yw'r trysor gwerthfawrocaf. Hyder trwy addysg. Confidence through education. Be it known to members of the university and to all here present that an authorised congregation of Wrexham University is being held here in the city of Wrexham this day, Wednesday, 29th of May, 2024. Those who have, through study at the university and through learning, ability and perseverance, been deemed worthy of university awards in accordance with the ordinances of the university will be admitted to their appropriate degrees, in the hope that they may be given health and long life to serve their generation and their country under the blessing of heaven. Then shall thy light rise in obscurity, and thy darkness be as the noonday. And they that shall be of thee shall build the old waste places. There is gold and a multitude of rubies, but the lips of knowledge are a precious jewel. Bydded hysbys i aelodau'r Brifysgol ac i bawb sydd yn bresennol fod y Brifysgol wedi rhoddi'r awdurdod i'r athro Maria Hinfela i dderbyn i'w graddau fyfyrwyr Prifysgol Wrecsam a enillodd raddau yn unol a rheolau'r Brifysgol. Gwelir enwau'r rhai y gellir ei derbyn i'w graddau yn y cynulliad hwn yn y rhestr printiedig sydd wedi ei ddosbarthu. Let it be known to members of the university and to all who are present that the university has granted authority to Professor Maria Hinfela to admit to their degrees students of Wrexham University who have qualified for degrees according to the regulations of the university. The names of those who may be admitted to their degrees in this congregation are to be seen on the printed lists that have been distributed today. Anrhydeddus is-ganghellor, cyflwynaf i chi y myfyrwyr hyn o Brifysgol Wrecsam i'w graddau, diplomau a'i tystysgrifau priodol. Honourable Vice-Chancellor, I present to you these students from Wrexham University to their respective certificates, diplomas and degrees. Baglor yn y celfyddydau, anrhydedd, cyfrifeg a chyllid. Bachelor of Arts, Honours, Accounting and Finance.
Sophie Georgina Jones, Rhiannon Keeley Williams, Melissa Jane Price. Claire Rees Knight.
Baglor yn y celfyddydau anrhydedd, rheolaeth busnes cynhwysol, Bachelor of Arts, Honours, Applied Business Management.
Nikki Louise Powell, Catherine Davies, Jack O'Donnell. Emma Jessica Broster, Calvin Owen Roberts.
Baglor yn y celfyddydau anrhydedd, Busnes. Bachelor of Arts, Honours, Business.
Carla Lovell, Stephen Robert Morris, Marta Alexandra Baratozuk Prinsetti. Kimberly Lisa Marie Jane Griffiths, Kieran Jack David Thomas. Kai Luke Fowler Vickers, Jessica Victoria Eccleston, Emily Jane Davies.
Baglor yn y celfyddydau anrhydedd, rheoli busnes a thechnoleg gwybodaeth. Bachelor of Arts Honours, Business Management and Information Technology.
Karen Mellors, Juliet Elizabeth Price.
Baglor yn y celfyddydau anrhydedd, astudiaethau busnes. Bachelor of Arts Honours, Business Studies.
Claire Stokes.
Baglor yn y celfyddydau anrhydedd, lletygarwch, twristiaeth a rheoli digwyddiadau. Bachelor of Arts Honours, Human Resource Management.
Ellen Haley, Anya Palmer.
Baglor yn y celfyddydau anrhydedd, rheoli adnoddau dynol. Bachelor of Arts Honours, Hospitality, Tourism and Event Management.
Danielle Louise Hind, Helen Anders.
Gradd sylfaen mewn rheolaeth busnes cymhwysol yn y celfyddydau. Foundation degree in Arts Applied Business Management.
Oluwasi Grace Ojo, Brzena Slowinska.
Meistr mewn gweinyddu busnes. Master of Business Administration.
Wasim Ali Bali, Shaynash. Sandeep Kaur, Samida Ralph D'Souza, Preeti. Parveen Kaur, Naresh Kumar Jade, Mansi Sharma. Bhargav Magambai Shira, Kamaljit Kaur, Jaspreet Kaur Kairam. Jaspreet Kaur, Harsh Rajanbai Gohil, Harmandeep Kaur. Dolly, Anju Sharian, Artiben Sachakumar Chaudhry. Anuruddha Amanpreet Kaur, Atasham Safa. Abraham Alejandro Burgess Ayala, Melbourne Benny.
Wel, hoffwn yn awr, gwahodd yr is-ganghellor I roi ei hanherchiad y prynhawn yma. I would now like to invite the Vice-Chancellor to give her address.
Chair, graduating students, parents, spouses, friends, children, colleagues, honorary fellows, members of the Board of Governors, ladies and gentlemen. Pranam Da, good afternoon. It gives me great pleasure to welcome you most warmly to today's award ceremony here at Wrexham University, on what is a very special day for everyone assembled today, whether you're here in person or watching the live stream wherever you may be in the world. Gaining a university degree is one of the highest personal achievements. It's a test of stamina, commitment, intellectual rigor and ability, and you should be extremely proud. You've worked hard. You've made the most of the opportunity of a university education. So on behalf of the staff and the governors of our university, I'd like to say congratulations, and well done. Graduation ceremonies are the highlight of the year, symbolizing the values which we stand for at Wrexham University. A degree is a valuable asset. It is yours as of today and will remain yours forever. It marks an investment which you have personally made in your future. It marks your achievements, and these are now being rewarded, and nobody can take that away from you again. There will be others who have no doubt contributed to your personal achievement. This includes your close family and friends, and they deserve our thanks as well. No matter how much individual talent you have, very few people can thrive unless they have a supportive environment around them. Our thanks also include our staff, who've helped you and supported you throughout your time here at Wrexham University, both in the academic departments and the professional services departments right around the university. You will now have a university qualification on your CV, which is a passport to future employment or study in your chosen profession. It is proof, it is evidence that you have acquired relevant knowledge, skills, and competencies. You are now an expert in your subject, and it will be important to keep stretching yourself. Perform to high standards, be open to learning new things, and stay curious so you remain at the forefront of your field. You have graduated, but you may not have all the answers yet. Nobody has. Wherever your career takes you, your degree will always stand you in good stead, and you will be up for whatever life brings in terms of challenges, but also, of course, opportunities. You will now be part of a growing community at Wrexham University, of Wrexham University alumni. Thousands of students study in Wrexham every year, from the UK and also from other parts of Europe, from Asia, such as India, Pakistan, and also from African countries. On top of that, we have thousands of students outside Wrexham with partner colleges spread around the world or online. For instance, in Hong Kong, Singapore, Sri Lanka, China and the Middle East, and also within the UK itself. So the university has grown in recent years, and we now have around 12,000 enrollments in the UK and abroad. That makes your qualification truly global. This is good news for the university and also for you, because Wrexham is now a pretty global brand and really, really famous. And this, of course, helps. These days, everybody knows where Wrexham is on the map. So to quote the theme for this year's graduations, embark on the adventure tomorrow, celebrate the journey today. In fact, you are already on that journey of the next chapter in your lives, because it may have been a while since you completed those final exams or those final assignments. And as you will discover today, we really want to know how you are getting on. I believe we have various colleagues from marketing who are going around asking you a few questions, and there's nothing better than hearing from you directly. So, for instance, how do you look back on your time here? Where are you now? What about in 3 years' time? What are your plans? And what's going to be the best part of today? So don't be shy. Let us know what you are thinking and what you are doing. And the graduations festival after the ceremony this afternoon obviously isn't only about asking you questions and doing the photos. There'll be entertainment and food and drink for you to enjoy with your guests. So at this session, as you've heard already, we're marking the achievements of a range of specific programs that we offer in our portfolio. So these are business, studying here in Wrexham, on the Wrexham campus, or with partner institutions in the UK. So that includes marketing, management, accountancy, tourism, hospitality management, and other specializations within the business field. And these are core subjects which are so important to help our economy and our communities flourish. You may end up working in almost any sector in that capacity, whether it's commercial organizations or public services. Your skills and your competencies will be in very high demand. Or perhaps you're in the process of setting up your own business. You will have a lot to offer, whatever you end up doing, in Wales, the rest of the UK, or abroad. As you may have noticed, at Wrexham University, we also haven't stood still since you finished your studies. We continue to invest in our facilities under our £80 million campus master plan. We have completed the next phase of our Health Education Innovation Quarter with state-of-the-art spaces for our nursing and allied health students. We have upgraded some studio spaces at the Regent Street Art School. We are about to open our new Cyber Innovation Academy, which will benefit not only our own students, but also organizations in the area to come and train up their staff in cybersecurity. We have a major construction project on site here at the moment, and also in St Asaph, to build the Enterprise Engineering and Optics Centre, with almost £12 million of funding from the North Wales Growth Deal. And we also continue to improve our existing facilities, slowly but surely, corridor by corridor. We now have lovely social and collaborative study spaces on all our campuses, where students can spend time outside class. We're putting in place a brand new Wi-Fi network over the summer, and there is much more to come. We're going to have a brand new home for our Students' Union, for instance. These are exciting times, and Wrexham University is definitely standing out amongst other higher education providers when it comes to capital investment happening right now. We need to think about the future needs of our students and our community. But back to today and your future success. I wish you all the best in your future career, and once again, you deserve it, you have all the ability. Today, though, is about enjoying the moment and the celebration, so make sure you do that. So to finish, I wish you pob lwc, iechyd a hapelrwydd dda, and that's Welsh for good luck, good health, and happiness. Thank you. Diolch yn fawr.
Wel, hoffwn yn awr, wahodd llywydd undeb y myfyrwyr I ddweud ychydig o eiriau. I'd now like to invite the President of the Students' Union to say a few words.
Prynawn da. It is an honour and a privilege to be sharing these celebrations with you today. I know all too well the work that you have had to put in to be sat here today, but you've done it. All of you are strong individuals and should be proud of what you have achieved, but I would like to acknowledge the support networks you have around you. I would like to invite all the graduands to please stand. please stand. Please join me in thanking friends, family, staff, and those who cannot be with us today for all of the support they may have given us over the last few years. Thank you. You may be seated. This year, your Students' Union have celebrated fantastic results from the National Student Survey. We were ranked #1 in Wales for Students' Union and Student Voice. We celebrated winning Campaign of the Year at the National Union of Students Awards for our Help Yourself campaign, which is in response to the cost of living crisis that we are all facing. We have celebrated sports teams being promoted and a record number of students accessing our services and attending our events. And today, we round the year off by celebrating you. It is an exciting time when you come to the end of your studies and receive your degree, and it could also feel daunting. But your university will still be here for you. Your journey with us does not end here. There are many ways you can access support and guidance well after you have graduated. And of course, we want you to come back, work with us, and tell us about all of your achievements in life. We want to continue this journey of celebration with you. When I came to searching for a university to study at, I wanted a university where the course was ranked highly for the quality of its teaching. Wrexham University was #1 in the UK for my particular subject. I wanted an institution where I wasn't just a number, and a place where I felt valued and supported. Wrexham University certainly delivered on that. And I'm sure for whatever reasons you chose to study here or with our partners, you'll agree that once you're here, you felt part of a community, part of a family. And I'm sure that because of this, you will all be excellent ambassadors for our university. I am in no doubt that you will all go out into the world and do some extraordinary things. My message to you is success is a journey, not a destination. You will have ups and downs over the years, but remember to be kind to yourself throughout it all. Congratulations and good luck. Thank you.
Anrhydeddus is-ganghellor. Cyflwynaf i chi y myfyrwyr hyn o Prifysgol Wrecsam i'w graddau, diplomau a'i tystysgrifau priodol. Honourable Vice-Chancellor, I present you these students from Wrexham University to their respective certificates, diplomas and degrees. Meistr mewn Gwyddoniaeth, Rheolaeth, Master of Science, Management.
Raki Shilpa Harjinder Kaur. Kajal Shazana Kanwal Harisman Kaur. Zara Ejaz, Vijay, Yash Kumar, Alkash Kumar Ahir. Versha Osman Gul Taranam. Tanya Kaushal, Saidi Wafa Zanib, Tamana. Sukhwinder Singh Mason, Sukhpreet Kaur, Sukhjit Singh. Sonia Rani, Simranjit Kaur, Simranjit Kaur. Simran Thakur, Sidra Batul, Shalu Devi. Sheikh Neha Nasreen, Satyaditij Vagahela, Sarabjit Kaur. Samira Ali, Rutvik Ashokbay Badani, Rohit Kumar. Ramandeep Kaur, Rajwinder Kaur, Rahul. Rabka Fatima, Priyanka Devi, Rabshot Kaur. Parveen Kaur, Nikita Pallavi. Nishu Neelam Navneet Kaur. Navshot Sharma, Navsheet Kaur, Mohammed Kasim. Mohammed Yazir, Mohsin Khan, Mandeep Kosala. Megha Karansheen Patel, Mayank Babakar, Mary Janesh Solanki. Mamta Rani, Madhu Bala. Lovepreet Rishi, Kuldeep Kaur, Kirti Kaur. Karish Mabanu Mohammed Saeed Pathan, Kirandeep Kaur, Karanjit Kaur. Karen Bidlan, Kamalpreet Kaur, Jessica. Jaspreet Kaur, Jasmine Kaur, Jasmine Kaur. Isham Samwal, Harpreet Kaur, Harpreet Kaur. Harpinder Kaur, Harneet Kaur, Harmandeep Kaur. Hamid Mustafa, Jian Singh, Gurwinder Singh. Gurwinder Kaur, Gurdeep Singh, Gurdial Singh. Gagandeep Singh, Fahim Banu Mohammed Bilal Sheikh, Gagandeep Kaur. Deepa Rani, Charan Kamal Kaur Birdi, Deepa. Charandeep Kaur Bilal Bashir, Bhumika Makawana. Babita Aziz Ahmed Ali Mohammed Aaron Kakahatu Shaju. Umandeep Kaur, Umandeep Kaur, Umandeep Kaur. Ahmed Khan, Abhishek Alpeshbai Dayabai Ramani. Tamana Ramanjit Kaur, Harmeet Kaur. Fatih Singh Simab Bilal Ahmed. Dains Kumar Rajapur Hit Hamandeep Kaur.
Tystysgrif ôl-raddedig mewn rheoli. Postgraduate Certificate in Management.
Raji.
Diploma ôl-raddedig mewn gweinyddu busnes. Postgraduate Diploma in Business Administration.
Rajan Parminder Singh Sandhu.
Diploma ôl-raddedig mewn rheoli. Postgraduate Diploma in Management.
Krishnaben Rajabai Kakadia.
Meistr mewn Gwyddoniaeth Rheolaeth. Master of Science, Management.
Mayreen Lal.
Meistr mewn gweinyddu busnes. Master of Business Administration.
Ripal Patel.
Meistr mewn gweinyddu busnes. Master of Business Administration.
Ashmini Kumar Patel.
Unwaith eto, Meistr mewn gweinyddu busnes. Master of Business Administration.
Warda Shafakat.
Meistr mewn gweinyddu busnes, rheoli prosiect gydag arfer uwch. Masters of Business Administration, Project Management with Advanced Practice.
Shirishi Sandhi.
Meistr mewn gweinyddu busnes gydag arfer uwch. Masters of Business Administration with Advanced Practice.
Najib Tekethiail.
Meistr mewn gweinyddu busnes gydag arfer uwch. Masters of Business Administration with Advanced Practice.
Kushik Kukakala.
Meistr mewn gweinyddu busnes. Masters of Business Administration.
Ume Leila Saida.
Meistr mewn gweinyddu busnes. Masters of Business Administration.
Umar Butt.
Okay, so we're now going to get to the formal part of the ceremony, which is the official point in time at which we confer your degrees or other awards on you, and you become graduates officially. At some of the older universities, this might have been done in Latin in the past. Of course, it's done in English at most UK universities, but here at Wrexham, we are in Wales, which is a nation within the UK, a very, very special nation within the UK. So, to honour that fact, we are going to do it in Welsh. So, Ellen Meyer, the orator, will ask me to confer the degrees and all their privileges on you in Welsh, which I will do. And she will then ask me the same question again on behalf of all those graduates who can't be here today, but are also getting their degrees in absentia. So to mark this formal moment, could I please ask all the graduates to stand? Thank you.
Anrhydeddus is-ganghellor, cymeradwyaf I chi dderbyn y myfyrwyr hyn i'w gwobrau ac I holl freintiau'r graddau hyn.
Trwy awdurdod y Prifysgol a ymryddiadwyd I mi, derbyn iaf chwych gwobrau ac I holl freintiau'r gwobrau hyn.
Anrhydeddus is-ganghellor, cymeradwyaf I chi dderbyn yn ei habsenoldeb y myfyrwyr hynny a enwyd yn rhannau priodol y rhaglen i'w gwobrau ac I holl freintiau'r graddau hyn.
Trwy awdurdod y Prifysgol a ymddiredwyd I mi, derbyn iaf I chreu a nodwydd yn ei habsenoldeb i'w gwobrau ac I holl freintiau'r gwobrau hyn. That's it. You have your degrees. Congratulations again.
Wel, hoffwn yn awr ofyn I Dr Lee Griffin, cadeirydd bwrdd y Llywodraethwyr, I gair cynulliad y prynhawn yma. I would now like to invite Dr Lee Griffin, Chair of the Board of Governors, to close the congregation.
We're almost there. I'd like to congratulate everybody who's received an award today, and just ask you all to just think about everything you've done and everybody you know who's helped you along the way, and just to spend a bit of time today valuing all the support you've had. But you have achieved this, and many, many congratulations. So, ladies and gentlemen, the granting of an academic award brings with it privileges and responsibilities. Through your hard work and diligence, you have joined a distinguished society of scholars. Be the change you want to see in the world. Yeah? Be clear about your purpose and follow that star, and always know you are part of Wrexham. I would like to add my personal congratulations to those of the Vice-Chancellor and the University. And in doing so, I formally close this congregation of Wrexham University. Diolch.
Wel, dyna diwedd ein seremoni y prynhawn yma, cynhelir cynulliad nesaf Prifysgol Wrecsam y bore fory. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that concludes this afternoon's graduation ceremony. The next congregation of Wrexham University will be held tomorrow morning. Gai ofyn I chi gyd sefyll ac aros ar eich traed os gwelwch yn dda, hyd nesur o'r ymdaith gan gynnwys y graddedigion newydd adael y neuadd. May I ask you all to stand and remain standing until the procession, including the new graduates, have left the hall. Diolch yn fawr iawn. Thank you.